excited. Selling ebooks is such a cool way to make money online. And I have this really cool website that you've probably never ever heard of before. And the really cool things about it is it's free and it's so easy. Seriously, a 10-year-old can do it. You're so gonna love this because they do everything for you, including the publishing. Hey, are you subscribed to my channel? If so, you're gonna be glad because that means you rang the bell and you got a notification, and that way you're gonna be one of the first people that gets to jump on top of this money-making opportunity. Writing is your dream. We make publishing your reality. There is self-publishing with support. Your book is your priority. Our priority is you. We build tools and services that let you focus on writing while we take care of layout, publishing, distribution, print on demand, paperbacks, and more. Keep writing and we're here for the rest. Seriously, it's what they say. It's why this is so exciting. I love being able to share this with you guys. Let's go down here. Format, automated, beautiful, all yours. We treat your manuscript like the precious gem that it is. Use our automated conversion and layout templates, blah, blah, blah. All right, publish, go wide with smarter self-publishing. You can do, go wide basically means that you're gonna be able to, or they will be able to distribute to Amazon Publishing and many others. I will tell you and show you in just a little bit which exact ones that is. Promote. Let's see, we build your home away from home page. Track sales. This part's pretty cool because you don't have to worry about anything. I mean, they literally do all of the work to all of the platforms and you don't have to worry about any of the tech stuff. Pretty cool, right? Now this site is idplr.com. Now before I reveal the site, the previous website, I'm going to show you this one because on the other side, it's going to help you to avoid a huge hassle of making everything and doing it. And this is going to help you avoid the hassle of actually creating the content. So IDPLR actually has master resell rights for ebooks. So if you go to products and you click on with master resell rights and scroll down, they have a lot on here. Unlock your full potential. Now this is the stuff that I'm talking about. This stuff does really good. Now if you're not for sure, you can go ahead and you can look on Amazon.com. I'm not going to go there. Go ahead and just go there and you can see, what's actually doing really good as far as ebooks goes. Finding balance. This stuff does real good. Speak with confidence. In my area, this would do real good. Virtual networking. I mean, it goes on and on. There's also another site that I want to show you. It's QualityPLR.com. Now, I like this site and I use it a lot. It may not have quite as much as the other site, but I do like it. Now, it does have a lot of free stuff, free PLR. Make your first 100 online. Fitness does really good. Inspirational does really good. Home improvement, I wouldn't know, I haven't even tried. But what I want to tell you is I wouldn't take and directly put them on the website because it's just not probably going to do as well. I would take and tweak it yourself. Go in, make it better. Maybe add more, take away, add a little polished, touch it up a little bit, and then I would post it because I told you everything on here can be free. But I'm also going to show you how to use a little bit of money, and I'm going to show you how you can skyrocket if you choose. A lot of stuff on here will be maybe $5, $10 for the book. Now, I didn't scroll on down here. There seems to be a lot that is free, but I bought stuff on here that's just like $5 and $10. Oh, I clicked on free. Duh, Shelly. PLR products, PLR ebooks. Okay, I've never had to pay this much. But okay, see, this is $5. I think I bought something on here that was maybe 15, but there's, maybe it's just at the time that I bought it. Oh, this is new stuff. That's probably why. Okay. but I bought some stuff that's $5-10 on here. And like I said, I know for sure that's 15. But let's just say, you sell one thing and let's just say it's $15. I mean, you're making your money back. Plus, more than one person's going to buy. Hey friends, do me a favor and leave me an emoji sticker in the comments of what you're thinking about the video so far. Smile face, right? Now, I've showed you how you could do the whole inside of the book for free, okay? And the website's gonna be for free. So if you go to canva.com, and if you don't have an account, I have a link down in the bottom. It's free. Now, if you just search for book cover, they have all kinds of ideas. I mean, some of these are really cool. Look at this. This is really cool. And you can change everything out from, the pictures and everything, the font, all of that. That's, for example, let's just choose this one. And you can, from the left, you can change the font. You can add it to. You can add two if you want. I'm not going to make one. I'm just kind of just playing here. You can upload pictures. You can add to it. You can add, elements. I use this one a lot. You can crop it. You can change the color. I like pink. You can change the background. You can delete stuff. I mean, you can do anything that you want for a picture. And even if you don't know Canva, it's literally, it could just take minutes. I have a little tutorial on my YouTube channel, but it's actually, I think, on a YouTube thumbnail. But you could watch it if you want. But that's Canva, so you could create it absolutely for free. Now you're probably wondering, how much does any of this cost? Okay, well, if you go to draft2digital.com, which is the site that I was showing you earlier. Now, if you go and you click on cost, the bottom line is we charge no fees for formatting or updating your book. When you distribute through Draft2 Digital and a reader buys a copy of your ebook, we'll take 10% of the retail price of that book for that sale. So you probably thought I was, going to tell you that there still was some kind of hidden fees or something. There's not. It's absolutely free. They just want 10%, which if you ask me, that's why when I found this site, a while back, I was like, okay, yeah, this is amazing. 10%, come on. That means that we only make money when you make money. We have no upsells, no service packages, no fees of any kind. So in a way, when I read this sentence, that tells me they're going to want my books to sell, so they make money. Set your price to whatever you want, even free. And you're probably like, why would I do that? A lot of the times, people can have free books out to get their name out there. Or if it has, I say links because I'm an affiliate marketer. If it has links inside of it, you just want to get your book out. But most of the time, people aren't affiliate marketing. Most of the time, they just want to get their name out. So it's absolutely free. And this is easy to do. You know how to do the book cover. You know how to do the inside. Again, I would just change some things. I would not directly upload a direct free book that you get off of the internet. I would not do that. I would make some changes. As far as which stores will sell your books, this is where you have the choice. All of your books can actually go, including Amazon. So you get help publishing to all these places. You're willing to spend a little bit of money, you can edit an ebook. Now, if you're willing to spend a little bit of money, you can have someone edit the ebook for you. You can also pay to have your cover made. Now, if you want to, let's start with just spending a little money to have, it edited for you. You already have the free ebook. You could send it to somebody. And $15, $10, $5. Some of these is insane. $5, $10. Let's look at Upwork. Upwork's big too. For some reason though, Upwork to me is usually more expensive. See, $35, $150 an hour. And I said edit. This is already editing. See, edit an ebook. So you already have it. They just have to edit it themselves. So basically, instead of you tweaking it, they'll tweak it. Now, as far as a cover goes, design a cover for a book. that can range anywhere between 15. I think I paid 10. I know for sure for one of mine. 15, 25, there's 25. Again, you always have the crazy ones. And a lot of people think that they may not be good just to hire someone that's on Fiverr or Upwork. They can do some good jobs, guys. Seriously. So $10, you know, it may not be worth the time to go and use Canva, even if it's easy, but it may sometimes be a little time consuming. Again, if you don't have a link for Fiverr, I have a link down below. And Fiverr's free. You just sign up for it. It's not free to use, but it's free to sign up for. Now, for kicks and giggles, I looked up design a book cover for Upwork, and I'm getting 50 an hour, 115, 44, 45, 35, 35, 35 for a book cover. I personally think that's crazy. Now, my advice to you is start free. Do everything free. Then upload it to draft2digital.com. And then, you know, once you start making some money, or if you have the money in the beginning, you know, pay someone to go ahead to help you out and edit the free book. Now, once you start making some money, you have some money coming in. Now, a way to, I always call it going above and beyond, would be to go ahead, go to Fiverr or Upwork and just pay someone to write your book, okay? So this way, you know, just once you start getting the money, several books. Let's get several books out there. Just pay someone just to write the book. That way you can start getting a ton of books out there. Now, I just literally did write an ebook. You know, you can do $50. This is $150. Still at $5. I think this is crazy. 50, 60. So you could go up here. You could do under 45 and still find people that are still really good. 30, 10. And this is just writing the book. 35, 20, 15, 15, 10, 20. You kind of get the picture. Then you pay somebody to write the book and post it. So if you're hiring everybody to do everything for you, you get the picture. You're not having to do anything, and you're making money. Come on. Not bad, right? I'm so glad. I really loved making this video, and I'm here to tell you that that is a great way to start making money online. Like, it is a legit awesome side hustle. But I want to help you do what I do, because I promised myself that I would help more people make as much money as possible. And if you want to make even more money, start your own business, then I suggest you do what I do, because I am a single mom. And when I first started all of this 4 years ago, I was still a single mom that got laid off from our job. My whole department was laid off. Boom. Talk about a non-cool April Fool's Day joke. And I started doing affiliate marketing on a side hustle and literally turned it into a full-time business where I teach people how to make money online. And not only do I hold your hand, I want you to click for the link in the bio, and then you're also gonna get free help. I promise. So if you click the link in the bio, do me a favor as well and comment that you did and that you got started with it, and let me know. That way I can give you extra help. But it's a way to give you time freedom. If you have a 9-to-5 that you just don't like and you want out, it is the best opportunity that you're going to get. Affiliate marketing is easy. You have to learn a few things, and if you're willing to do the work, it's easy to succeed. And it's a cheaper way than a lot of other stuff, and it's legit where a lot of other stuff is crap. I've been there, I have done that, and I have spent thousands of dollars. So I promised myself that I would do the very best I can to get this out there to help you. So it's just gonna be literally the first link in the bio. And do me a favor, if you did like this video or you got something out of it and you think that a friend or a site or anything would like it, do me a favor and share this video. I would greatly appreciate it, and it helps me get this out to the world. And if you did like this video, what's stopping you? Go ahead and watch the next one. I'm in it. See you there.